Have you ever stopped to wonder why no two fingerprints are the same, not even for identical twins? Does it intrigue you how a simple swirl on your fingertip can be the telltale sign of your unique identity? In the next few minutes, we'll unravel the mystery behind this fascinating aspect of human biology, the uniqueness of fingerprints. Fingerprints, those intricate whorls and loops on the tips of your fingers, are a result of a phenomenon that occurs when you're still in your mother's womb. Around the 10th week of pregnancy, there's a rapid growth spurt in the basal layer of the skin on your fingertips. This layer grows faster than the layers above and below it, causing it to buckle and fold, forming the unique patterns we know as fingerprints. But why are these fingerprints unique, you ask? The answer lies in the randomness of the process. The pressures, temperatures, and the position of the fetus in the womb all play a role in shaping these patterns. And since these factors are never the same for two individuals, no two sets of fingerprints come out alike. Even identical twins who share the same genetic code have different fingerprints because they occupy different positions in the womb and experience different pressures and temperatures. But that's not all. Fingerprints are not just unique, they're also permanent. Once formed, they remain unchanged throughout your life, barring any severe injuries or burns that could alter the skin structure. This permanence makes fingerprints an invaluable tool for identification in forensics and law enforcement. In summary, fingerprints are unique because of the randomness of the factors involved in their formation. They're formed during the 10th week of pregnancy when the basal layer of the skin on your fingers grows faster than the layers above and below, causing it to fold and create unique patterns. Despite sharing the same genetic code, even identical twins have different fingerprints due to the different environmental conditions experienced in the womb. Lastly, barring any severe injuries, fingerprints are permanent, making them an ideal tool for identification. The science behind fingerprints is a testament to the marvels of human biology, a reminder of our uniqueness. So, the next time you look at your fingertips, remember, you're looking at a biological masterpiece, a symbol of your unique identity, etched in your skin for a lifetime.